Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2014 to 2022 Nissan Qashqai and Rogue Sport? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. Engine compartment fuse box in the 2014 to 2022 Nissan Qashqai and Rogue Sport protects and distributes power to vital engine systems such as the ECU, ABS, headlights, cooling fans, ignition system, and fuel injection components. Fuse box number 2 in the 2014 to 2022 Nissan Qashqai and Rogue Sport, located in the engine compartment, supplies power to key systems like the radiator fan ignition, coils fuel pump, and electronic control modules. Engine compartment fuse box type 2. Engine compartment fuse box type 2 in the 2014 to 2022 Nissan Qashqai and Rogue Sport controls and protects essential systems like the ABS engine control unit, ECU, cooling fans, ignition, and transmission electronics. Passenger compartment fuse box. Left instrument panel fuse box in the 2014 to 2022 Nissan Qashqai and Rogue Sport powers and protects interior electrical features such as the dashboard display, power windows, interior lights, audio system, and climate control functions. Passenger compartment fuse box, right. Right instrument panel fuse. Box in the 2014 to 2022 Nissan Qashqai and Rogue Sport typically supports additional interior components like heated seats, auxiliary power outlets, infotainment modules, and other comfort or convenience features. Additional fuse holder in the 2014 to 2022 Nissan Qashqai and Rogue Sport provides power protection for optional or dealer-installed accessories such as tow hitches, fog lights, or aftermarket electronics. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.